So hey everyone, I welcome you all to the Skillsharp and today we are going to see logical operators in Python programming language. The first logical operator is logical and here you can see the truth table of logical AND. We have operand 1 and operand 2 and when we perform logical AND operation on it you can see the results. Only when both the operands are true then logical AND operation on them is true. Otherwise, logical AND is false. So I have created one example. You can see if the weather is rainy in my city and if I have taken the raincoats with me, then only in that case it will return true. So let's see and let's run this. Now you can see is rainy and with raincoat then true. It means it it recommends us if you have raincoat and if weather is rainy, then you can go out. Otherwise not, right? So both the operands is rainy and with raincoats are true, then it will return true. What if I don't have raincoat with me and weather is rainy? So you can see in this scenario, it will return false. So this is the logical AND operation. The next logical operator is logical OR operator and you can see the truth table of logical OR operator here. So in the case of logical OR, it will return false only if both the operands are false. Otherwise, it will return true. So you can see here, I am going to purchase a new mobile phone and I want if the mobile has wireless charging and the mobile has fast charging. If both the cases are there, then I want to purchase the mobile. And if it is wireless chargeable or it is fast chargeable, then in that case I'm also going to purchase the mobile phone. So now you can see here I have performed the OR operation on it. If wireless charging is true and fast charging is not true, still I want to purchase the mobile. If wireless charging is true and fast charging is also true, then also I am going to purchase the mobile. And in third case as well, I am going to purchase the mobile. But if the wireless charging is false and fast charging is also false, then I am not going to purchase that mobile. And you can see the result is false here. So what OR operator will do, OR operator will check either operand 1 or operand 2 is true, then it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So next logical operation is logical NOT operation and it will do the simple thing, that is it will convert the false to true and true to false. That means it will change the parity of the operand. So you can see if flash is fast, so it is true, and if I'm going to reverse the polarity of it, then you can see not is fast. So Flash is not fast. Okay, it's a joke. Flash is the fastest superhero, as you all know. So these three are the logical operations in the Python programming language, and these are the three logical operators. But one important concept I am going to show you in case of logical operation is short circuiting of the logical operator. So what the short circuiting actually is? So let's see. If I am going to perform one operation, let's see 5 divided by 0. What do you think? What I will get if I run this code? Yeah, definitely I will get the error, right? So you can see division by 0. This is the error. So this is not possible in any programming language. We can't divide any number with 0, right? But what if I will do like this? The first one is true, then second is and and then I will do like this. What do you think? What is the what we will get from it? So let's try to run it and you can see it divided by 0 error we will get because the and will check first it is true and then it will try to evaluate this expression and it will throw the error, right? But what if I will change it to false? Okay, now what do you think? As per you, what should be the result? Result should be error, right? But when I run this, you can see it returns false. Why? Because you can see in the case of AND, we know If any operand is false, then it should have returned the false. That's why what compiler do in the case of AND, if the first operand is true, then it will check for the second operand in case of AND operation. And if first operand will be false, then definitely in the case of AND operation, the result is going to be false. Then it will skip the second step and it won't check because it predicts the result is going to be false because the as per the truth table of AND. And that's why it will return false directly. So compiler try to reduce the computation and it will skip these steps. That's why we are getting false operation here. And this is called short circuiting with AND operator in Python programming language. And the same scenario happens with the OR. So let's change it with OR. Okay. So as you know, OR operation will return true if any operand, operand 1 or operand 2 is true, right? So if I do this way, you can see if I run it, it will throw as an error. Why? Because the computation happens like this. First it will check, okay, operand 1 is false. Okay, that's why I need to check the operand 2 and operand 2 I can't compute. That's why it will throw an error in case of OR, right? But what if I will do the first operand as true? So you can see here if first operand is true and OR is here, then let's try to run the program. You can see it will return true. So how it happens in this scenario? In OR operator, we want any one operator true, right? So the compiler or interpreter comes here, it will see, oh, operand 1 is true. And we want to perform OR operation. Okay, for OR operation, any one operand is true, then we can return true. That's why it won't evaluate this and it will return true by default. So this is the short circuiting in case of OR operation. So I will mention both the cases here. So for your documentation purpose and for your reference, you can see these are the cases when the short circuiting happens in the logical operators in Python. For evaluating this, you can refer the truth table of the operations. And so this is all for this video. And if you have any doubts related to the logical operations in Python programming, then feel free to ask the questions in the comment section below. And if you think our content is helpful to you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and like the channel, like this video, and share with the more awesome programmers. We will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.